Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the Technical Trader at the techtrader.com. It's August 31st, last day of the month, and it's Thursday. So that means swing trade review time. And we're going to review, I should say, the about 18 or 19 stocks that are still actively on our swing trade list. XPEV is one. It popped out, ran nicely for 5 days, and pulled back. The pullback's come up pretty low volume. I'd like to see it hold support around 17. Targets 22. AEHR. Well, AEHR looks pretty darn good. It came right back through the declining top line, moving averages, lateral price resistance is now attempting to attack the highs near 54. You get to that, it's a $65 stock in my opinion. DBRG broke through a triple top today and backed up, but it had a nice engulfing bar. I like the way it looks. My targets are now 19 and 21. ETNB came out of it popped out and pulled back, but after it popped out, we put a swing on it. Didn't pull back badly at all. Today, up 57 cents or about 3.5%. But it looks to me like it's going to come on again and make a run at 20 and then 23. FNGR was up for 4 or 5 days in a row. Then it took a rest here. Fairly low volume and a pullback. I need to see better technicals. I'm going to need to see a pop over 560 to get it going. If so, targets are 7 and 10. FRPT, after breaking out of a nice base and spiking, it then pulled back on a 3-wave corrective. Since then, it's bounced, but it hasn't been able to get through the declining tops line just yet. Moved to 78, and I think we're on our way to mid-80s, low 90s. Hasbro, after spiking up, we put a swing on it, backed off for 2 days, and then popped again. Right now, it's reaching the first target, there's 72. Secondary target, 77. IDEAYA popped, put a swing on it, been consolidating beautifully, and then broke out. You can see the move from 24 to almost 30 today, 29.91. That's the highest level ever reached. It's a new all-time high. And now looking for a run. It takes this to mid-channel 32, upper channel 38. INOD backed off today as a announcement was made that there was an insider sell. So the stock did pull back after reaching my target near resistance at about 15 and a quarter half area. Today it backed off to 1320, it was down 171, significant loss. And let's see if we're going to hold support right now. That support being about 12.5. LYTS exploded, we put a swing on it, ran up and pulled back and wedged. Looks like it wants to try to make a move out of that wedge and run into the 18 range. That's my next target. NEOG popped, been in a slow rising channel, holding the moving averages, trend lines, and lateral price support as well. My next target, 25. And then 28.5. ORIC popped out and pulled back, forming a little flag or wedge in here. My target's now 11 and 14. This looks pretty good. Remains in a rising channel. OUST popped and looked like it was breaking up, but it failed and pulled right back. Unable to do so, it's in a falling wedge. Target 7.5 and 9.5. POWL popped out and pulled back. We put a swing on it. It's acting very well, although today did have a mini reversal day down $1.93. My target remains 104.5. Rapid RPD broke out, pulled back, coiled, and then popped again. Nice move up, retesting resistance, targeting 56 and 60. Splk broke out and it's been up every day since. Nice rising channel. My target's 135. TSAT, a 1, 2, 3, 4th, maybe starting a 5th wave today with a bullish engulfing reversal bar up 235 or 13%. Mine was not heavy, it's thinly traded, but my target's at 23 and 28. ULBI popped out of a coil today after consolidating for a while. I still like this for around 11.75. And finally, XPEV, which we covered earlier, just another look at it, is pulling back after breaking out. I still think we have a shot at 22 on this one. That's it for tonight, everybody. HB out. Have a great evening.